Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to give access on Hostinger. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Hostinger account. You'll be here on HPanel, so just go ahead and come here on the left hand panel all the way down. On the bottom left, click on account sharing, and then here you can click on give access. Now click on give access again. Go ahead and enter their email address who we want to give access to. Go ahead and choose what kind of services you would like to share. I only have one here, so I'll keep that selected, and then you assign a role. Either admin, where they can manage the services and also make purchases using your added payment method, or just a collaborator. They can just manage the services, but they cannot make extra purchases. So choose what role you want to assign, and then click on give access. Then you just go ahead and enter the two-factor authentication code from your email to make these changes. And then after that, you just confirm. So click here on confirm. And as you can see, access email has been sent. And then they just have to go ahead and confirm that. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.